In this lesson, I want to cover off how you actually get a website. So this is a question that's often asked once you finish your HTML, your CSS. We've got it running on our computer, but how do we actually get it to a website? So first of all, let's talk about domains. So domains essentially are things like wikipedia.org. This is a top-level domain is .org here. There's a whole list of different top-level domains. Some of the ones you're probably most familiar with are .com and .org, .net, but as you can see, there's a whole bunch here listed at Wikipedia. So every country essentially has its own extension here for domain, top-level domain, and the domain name is going to be something that you use in order for web visitors to be able to find your website. So think of a really good domain, and there's some really great tools online such as domain.com. So if I want to create a domain called my domain, we can do a quick search over here and it will return some suggestions. It will do some brainstorming and give you some ideas to create a domain. So what you have to do is register your domain. So if I want to do my-name.org, I can pick that up for 15 bucks a year and add that in and then set that up within my hosting plan. A lot of the hosting plans allow you to register domains as well, so sometimes that's a way to go. They also do hosting here at domain.com. Some other really good hosting companies, WebHostFaced, so they've got some great hosting plans as well as one-to-one. So they've got really good hosting plans. So these are some of the resources. Setting up your own website, this is all you really need to do is pick your domain, register and get hosting at any one of these hosting companies or any one of the thousands of different hosting companies online, and you're ready to go. And then all you have to do is upload your files using an FTP software. So there's quite a large list of them as well. A lot of really good free ones. So FileZilla is really popular, as well as there's another one down here called CyberDuck. So this gives you a comparison of all these different clients. So FTP, File Transfer Protocol, essentially allows you to transfer your files to your server, and then thus they're going to be live online and they're going to be attached to your domain name, so whenever anyone types in your domain name, they get to your website and your web pages. And that's essentially how you get your website online.